Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden. Many viewers have asked me, can the organic fertilizer recipes for orchids be used for other flowering plants? The answer is absolutely yes. Today, I'll guide you on how to make a versatile, easy to prepare organic fertilizer that's suitable for nearly all types of plants in your garden. This recipe not only helps plants develop strong root systems and boosts their resilience, but also promotes glossy, healthy leaves and more vibrant blooms. Most importantly, you can make it at home without spending much, and it delivers very noticeable results. Do you drink tea? I love the gentle aroma and relaxing feeling a cup of tea brings. But today, I'm not brewing tea to drink. I'll use this dry tea as the main ingredient for a highly effective organic fertilizer recipe. I'll use 3 tablespoons of dry tea like this. If you don't have dry tea, you can repurpose used tea leaves to make fertilizer for plants. Tea contains many antioxidants, tannins, and a small amount of nitrogen. These components stimulate healthy root growth, retain soil moisture, and make leaves greener and glossier. Not only is it suitable for orchids, but this recipe is also ideal for fertilizing roses, ornamental plants, herbs, and even indoor plants. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Cover and let it steep until the tea water cools completely. While waiting for the tea to cool, I'll share a small but highly effective tip. Always moisten the soil before applying liquid organic fertilizer. When the soil is dry, the plant's roots close up, as if they're sleeping. But when you lightly water to moisten the soil first, it softens, the roots wake up, and they're ready to absorb nutrients. This method prevents fertilizer shock and makes organic fertilizer much more effective. So, before using the tea water as fertilizer, don't forget to lightly moisten the soil first. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After the tea water has cooled completely, I'll filter out the solids. The filtered water is the tea solution that has extracted many nutrients, especially the natural antioxidants in tea, which help plants boost resilience, keep leaves green and glossy, and resist pests and diseases effectively. Don't throw away the filtered tea leaves. You can mix them into the soil for vegetables or use them as green compost, which is also fantastic. Now, I'll dilute the filtered tea solution with 2.5 liters of clean water. After diluting, I'll add 1 small teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda not only helps balance soil pH, but also has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties, which are great for the root system and leaf surfaces. When combined with tea, this mixture becomes a fertilizer that both nourishes and protects plants from diseases, especially during humid rainy seasons or when plants are recovering. Method 1. Base watering. I'll use this diluted tea and baking soda solution to water the base of all the plants. Base watering allows plants to absorb nutrients directly through their roots, boosting vitality and promoting healthy growth. When watering, ensure you water evenly and avoid letting water pool in the pot, as this can cause root rot. This organic fertilizer provides essential nutrients for orchid roots to grow robustly. Gently watering around the base helps the plant easily absorb nutrients and maintain the necessary moisture to prevent root dryness. Additionally, this solution helps orchids resist fungal and bacterial diseases thanks to the antibacterial properties of tea and baking soda. As a result, the plant will grow healthily, and after a short time, you'll see it start to bloom beautifully and vibrantly. Lilies are very suitable for organic fertilizers because they provide nutrients for leaves and stems while stimulating flower development. Watering lilies supplies essential minerals for robust growth and beautiful blooms. Anthuriums need sufficient nutrients to develop lush green leaves and long-lasting flowers. Using this organic fertilizer provides necessary minerals while improving the plant's resilience. Method 2. Leaf wiping. The next method I'll do is wiping the leaves. Wiping leaves not only removes dust, but also helps plants absorb light more easily, promoting healthier growth. When wiping orchid leaves, the goal is to clean the leaf surface, helping the plant absorb light and exchange gases efficiently. Orchids require strong light, so keeping leaves clean enhances photosynthesis. Additionally, the tea in this solution provides some natural nutrients, supporting healthier growth, preventing diseases, and increasing resistance to environmental stressors. The solution supplies natural minerals from tea, such as potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, These are crucial for orchid root and flower development. Potassium helps orchids resist stress and diseases. Phosphorus promotes vibrant blooming, and calcium strengthens cell structure, making the plant healthier. Lilies are sensitive to humidity and light, so cleaning their leaves not only improves photosynthesis, but also maintains leaf moisture, creating ideal conditions for robust growth. For lilies, the tea solution provides powerful antioxidants from polyphenols in tea. These protect leaves from premature aging and support stronger growth. Potassium in tea enhances drought tolerance, while phosphorus promotes healthy root development, providing a solid foundation for lily growth. Anthuriums love light, but are prone to fungal diseases in overly humid environments. Cleaning their leaves improves gas exchange and keeps the plant healthy. The diluted tea softens leaves, providing a light protective layer against harmful agents. This also helps anthuriums maintain vibrant, healthy green leaves for the long term. Diluted tea not only cleans leaves, but also provides small amounts of iron and manganese from tea. These help anthuriums develop lush, vibrant leaves. Iron is critical for photosynthesis, helping the plant produce energy for better growth. Manganese aids in efficient sunlight use, boosting leaf metabolism and overall plant development. Method 3. Misting. Now, we'll move to misting. This is a fantastic method to provide moisture directly to leaves and other plant parts, helping plants absorb nutrients from organic fertilizer efficiently. For orchids, misting increases humidity, especially during root and flower development stages. Nutrients like potassium and calcium in the tea solution help orchids produce beautiful, long-lasting flowers. Misting protects leaves from drying out and supports better photosynthesis. It's a great way to maintain humidity and nutrients for orchids without causing root rot. For lilies, misting also provides humidity and helps the plant absorb nutrients like phosphorus and potassium from tea. Phosphorus supports beautiful blooms, while potassium strengthens resistance to pests and diseases, promoting robust growth. Misting keeps lily leaves lush and healthy, creating ideal conditions for new flowers. Anthuriums benefit greatly from misting, especially with tea's antibacterial properties, protecting leaves from diseases. Minerals like iron and manganese in tea help anthuriums develop beautiful, healthy leaves. Lightly misting leaves maintains humidity, keeping the plant vibrant and aiding nutrient absorption. By misting, you not only keep plants fresh, but also ensure nutrients are evenly distributed across leaves and stems, supporting better absorption and faster growth. Especially in dry weather, misting maintains stable humidity, protecting plants from wilting. After caring for plants with these methods, you can see they've become fresher and healthier. This is a simple yet highly effective method to help plants grow and bloom vibrantly. Apply this method every 2 weeks for the plants in your garden that you want to care for, and they'll show noticeable improvements and grow stronger. Join me in admiring the flowers in my garden today. After days of care and love, you'll see flowers blooming brilliantly, showcasing vibrant colors. If you care for your plants with love, they'll reward you with stunning blooms. Keep spending time with your garden, as every day of care brings you closer to those wonderful moments when you see your plants mature and thrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to always receive new plant care tips. See you in the next video.